see the ocean from my apartment.
It is 6:35.
We board in like an hour.
We board in an hour?
An hour.
Oh my gosh, we do.
All right, 6 days until I leave for Hawaii, and today we are dropping off the car for shipping. And Mama and Stephanie are following me, so I have a ride back home. All right, just arrived at Matson to drop off the car. Got this cool outfit. And they're here to pick me up. All right, don't know what is going on with the hair, but we've been here for nearly 2 hours and they finally called our name. Goodbye, see you on the other side. Oh, it says aloha. So it is, what time?
12:30 by now.
It is 12:30. We are packing, getting ready to go. Well, I am packing. Getting ready to go. No, I'm getting sleepy. But we're not getting any sleep, so we're gonna make some coffee, some Nespresso, and yeah, stay up all night before the flight. Green's looking real good. Late night shenanigans. Coffee cup might be nice.
Yikes, gonna be louder.
Beautiful. Dinner is served.
Who matches you?
Velvet. We're all packed. Not that many bags, honestly. Good point, good point. Do you know what time it is?
3:06.
Espresso round 2
So good.
at 3 a.m. I'm exhausted.
Bye.
It's a bit loud for 3 a.m.
Yeah. If you like what this, oh my god, he's up there.
And I'm recording. Yikes. It's been 2 days since I last slept.
No, it hasn't. It's been like 12 hours.
I'm quite tired. It is 4:30 a.m. Alright.
Ears are all folded. I know, my ear is...
Big day today. We're at the airport, rocking the mask.
Surgical.
It looks significantly more silly without that. And everything's closed, and Lydia's gonna go get Starbucks right now.
Oh my gosh, yes. Coffee.
Food. I'm so tired. I'm ready to sleep.
It is 6:35.
We board in like an hour.
We board in an hour?
An hour.
Oh my gosh, we do.
Alright, just got through the check-in process.
We're
It
here.
was intense, but we're here. We're gonna go get our bags.
Oh, it's windy.
It's nice and humid, nice and windy. Oh, I'm so excited. is a mess, but we're at baggage claim. Lydia's going to the restroom. Ah, we're here, and I'm so tired. We made it. We got our bags. We're in Hawaii. Ah. It's Lydia. All right, it's nice and hot. These masks are hot. We're just waiting for Ollie, our ride, our friend.
What color card does Ollie have?
I think it's red. We made it to the apartment. I'm here. We're here. Woo! We have 2 weeks to decorate the new place. It's nice and kind of empty right now, but we'll get it figured out.
Time to get food.
Time to get some food, time to get some groceries. Nice and spacious. Furniture. Oh, let's check out the lanai. Can't believe it, Lydia. Empty bedroom tour. It's a guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. And this is my room. Look at that. It smells good in here too.
We got Lay's.
Yeah, Nolly gave us some Lay's. I'm so excited, Lydia. Ah! That's it. And we have 2 weeks to decorate and figure things out. Finally placed our first Target order, and we're kind of just getting things set up so we could shower still. Still haven't done that. Getting our food. Got CPK while we're waiting for our Target and Safeway order. Got dessert too. Yikes, so our Target order came in. They got us some cool reusable bags. I think it's time to do some laundry. We just finished pizza, and now we're about to set up this internet by ourselves. Got internet set up, Target stuff that came in. We are cleaning our washer dryer right now. Lydia's getting this stuff cleaned and put away. We have cleaners, all that stuff. Unpacking a little bit. Okay. I don't really know what we did. I think the issue was there wasn't clothes. Should we take the bubbles out? I am so happy. I can't even believe it. I can see the ocean from my new apartment. Ah, it's awesome. Beach is right there. 2 weeks, and we could go to the beach. Till then, we'll be hanging out in here, getting things situated.
Okay.
And we want to look at the lens, not ourselves.
That
Alright,
makes sense.
but it's recording. Okay. Oh, look at his hair.